Ever tried paying rent with 3 chickens and a hug? No, your landlord wants money. Today we'll answer why money exists and how a story we all believe became the world's most useful tool. Welcome to Sketch Figures, where we draw money so simply your cat could pass economics. Tap like and subscribe if you love learning without headaches, or stick around for a bonus insight at the end that'll save you from a common money trap. The textbook tale says ancient people bartered. I'll trade you bread for your sandals, until they got tired of awkward swaps and invented money. The problem? Real-world evidence shows pure barter economies were rare. People often used IOUs and social credit long before coins. Anthropologists like Caroline Humphrey call the all-barter origin story a myth. Money solves 3 headaches. It's a medium of exchange. People take it. A unit of account, we measure prices with it, and a store of value, we can hold it for later. Those 3 jobs let strangers cooperate without haggling over goats versus flip-flops. Central bank educators explain it exactly that way. Early monies were creative. In ancient Anatolia, the Lydians struck metal coins in the 7th century BCE. In Micronesia, Yap Islanders used massive limestone discs called rai. You couldn't carry them, but everyone knew who owned which stone, so the ledger lived in people's heads. Different forms, same purpose. Make trade easy by standardizing value and trust. Not all societies followed one path. Some used shells or tally sticks, others kept temple or village ledgers. Economists also model how even useless tokens, fiat money, become valuable if everyone believes others will accept them. Think Kiyotaki and Wright search models. Reality was messy. The goal, smoother exchange, was consistent. Now, to understand why money exists, nail its job description. Medium of exchange. You can hand it over and people say, cool. Unit of account. Prices speak the same language, dollars, pounds, pesos, so we can compare tacos to textbooks. Store of value. You can save some for next week and it still buys stuff, assuming inflation isn't running wild. If your paycheck were paid in bananas, shopping would be chaos. Your gym wants pounds, your landlord wants pounds, and your Wi-Fi company definitely doesn't want bananas. Money fixes that coordination problem. Some monies do 2 jobs well but flop at the 3rd. Gift cards. Great unit of account at one store, lousy outside it. Some crypto tokens trade 24/7, but central banks argue many stable coins still fail the real-world tests of consistent value and seamless settlement across the whole economy. They're trying to be money. They're not great at the money jobs yet. If something doesn't pass all 3 tests in most places, it's money-ish, not money. If this is clicking, tap like and subscribe. Helps more people find simple money explainers like this. Now, money works because we believe it works. That belief runs on human psychology, not just metal or math. Here's 2 big brain quirks. Loss aversion. Losing 10 pounds hurts more than finding 10 pounds. Mental accounting. We label money by category. Rent money, vacation money, even when it's all the same pounds. These quirks shape why we hold money and how we spend it. You might keep too much cash, just in case, sacrificing interest because the pain of a possible shortfall looms larger than the gain from investing. Or you splurge free money from a tax refund while guarding your salary like a hawk. Classic mental accounting. Being human isn't a bug, it's the operating system. Nudges can help, like committing today to increase your savings later when you get a raise, so your paycheck never feels smaller. That's the save more tomorrow idea from Thaler and Benartzi. It uses our quirks for good rather than pretending they don't exist. Money exists in our heads first. Manage the psychology and the pounds tend to behave. If coins are ancient and cash is shrinking in daily use, what counts as money today? In modern economies, most money is bank deposits, and new deposits are created when banks make loans. You borrow for a car, your account is credited. New deposit money springs into existence. Central banks like the Bank of England have explained this clearly. Banks aren't simply lending out someone else's savings. Lending itself creates matching deposits. A bank approves a £10,000 loan. It credits your account £10,000. You spend it. The seller's bank now holds that deposit. The system works because we trust deposits can be turned into cash or used to pay bills, backed by regulation, payment rails, and central bank support. There are guardrails, capital rules, payment systems, and the central bank's role managing inflation and stability. Also, new technologies, like tokenized deposits and CBDC experiments, may change the plumbing, but the core money jobs and the need for trust remain. Today's money is mostly numbers on ledgers that work because we trust the system, and the system is designed to earn that trust. You don't need a PhD to use money like a pro. You need one good habit that respects how money works and how your brain works. Here's a simple mechanism. Name your accounts and automation increases. Create 2 nickname buckets at your bank, bills and buffer and future me. Set your paycheck split so a fixed percent goes to future me. Every raise, auto bump that percent by 1 to 2 points. That's save more tomorrow in pocket form. It sidesteps loss aversion by tying the increase to a raise, so your take-home never shrinks. For example, if you earn £2,000 take-home, start with 5%, £100 to future me. Next raise, click it to 6%. You keep more income and save more without feeling a loss. Emergency bills happen. That's why bills and buffer exists, so you don't raid long-term savings for a busted tire. And if debt rates are high, focus on minimum emergency cash plus paying expensive debt first. Education only, no personal advice. Automate for brain-friendly progress. Money's jobs plus your psychology equals a system you'll actually stick to. We've moved from stones to swipes, but the question remains, why keep using money? Because money coordinates millions of strangers. By standardizing prices, unit of account, enabling quick trades, medium of exchange, and letting us carry value through time, store of value, it turns human cooperation into an everyday miracle, from your morning coffee to global supply chains. Your phone case travels factories, ships, and warehouses. No bartering bananas at each step. Money, as common language, keeps it flowing. If inflation erodes the store of value job, people hedge. If trust cracks, they run for safer forms of money. That's why institutions, rules, and credible policy matter. And why not everything that calls itself money can do the work everywhere. Money exists because it keeps the economic orchestra in tune. And tuning requires trust. Why money exists shows how shared trust turns value into cooperation. Quick rewind. People traded using IOUs and social credit long before coins. Coins and later deposits standardized value and scaled trust. Today, bank-created deposits and payment systems move value at speed while psychology still shapes how we hold and spend. Today, this means money is a tool. Judge it by its 3 jobs, not its metal: medium, unit, store. One practical move. Name your accounts plus auto-increase savings with raises. Keep a trust mindset. Prefer money that works everywhere, not just in one niche. If this helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss the next one. This video is for education only and isn't financial advice.